Yes. So I guess we are live now. So let me quickly see. Hi everyone, this is Mukesh Otwani once again from learn-machine.com. So guys, I just went live from here. So can you guys quickly confirm, am I audible properly and can you see my screen as well? I can see people are joining. Hi Samisha, hi Gaurav, hi Tech Snippet, hi Shan, Harinder, Akash. Okay guys, can you quickly confirm so that we can start? Okay, so Nishant says all are fine, perfect. Hello Nishant. Okay, perfect. I know it's Friday, so everybody must be having different plans. So I will not be taking much time. We will quickly have one small quiz. And today with quiz, we have some small prizes. Okay. So today I don't have much questions because we just started, right? So we just have done 2 sessions so far. We will be having multiple session and multiple quiz. So based on day 1, day 2, I have just created 5 questions and we will be having a small quiz. After that, we'll continue with our Q&A session. Okay, so thank you so much for confirmation. I can see Abhijit, Rachna, Gaurav, perfect. Okay, so let's wait for 1 more minute and then we will start. As expected, today we have a less crowd because of Friday. Okay, so guys, I will be using one new tool for the quiz. This is the first time I'm using it, so I'm also experimenting with this. So I got this suggestion from Krish Naik and Navin Reddy because they are also using this tool for the quiz. So I'm also trying first time and let's see how it goes. If we, if everything goes fine, we'll start using this for the next quiz as well. Okay, so let me start. So what you need to do, I will give you the instruction how you have to participate in this quiz. So as you can see on the screen, we have a link, right, which is menti.com. So open your browser or through mobile, okay, whatever device is using, open menti.com and use this code called 31817566. I will also log in to menti.com. I will also play the quiz. I will not be answering these questions, but just for the testing, I will also log in and let's see how it goes. So I want everyone to open menti.com, type this code 31817566 and get ready. We will be starting now. And once you're done with this menti.com, please let me know in the chat section that's done or we are already in the dashboard. Just let me know in the chat box so that I will get a confirmation. Okay, I can see people started answering. Perfect. Okay, so I can see most of the people are from Bangalore. Okay, that's great. Chennai, Riva, Noida, okay. Patna, very good. Chennai, Riva, okay. What else? Still majority is from Bangalore. Okay, Toronto, we have someone from Canada as well, so yeah. Okay, Amravati, Mumbai, perfect. Hyderabad, okay. Can I have the URL please? So Rama, it's just menti.com, menti.com and use the code which you can see on the screen 31817566. And once you guys are done with this step, then I will announce what is the prizes and then we will start with the quiz part. URL please. So guys, just type menti.com, just 5 keywords, right, as menti.com. Okay, let me also ping you right away, those who are asking for URL. This is the URL. Guys, you don't have to type in the chat where your city. You have to type your city name in the menti.com so that I can see this visuals. Okay, so we have from Satara, London, okay, Tirupati, Ahmedabad, okay, great. So I hope everybody is on menti.com. I don't think so because I can see many people are live, but the total count I got so far is 40. So let's wait. Odisha, okay. Delhi, perfect. Okay, so now coming back to the quiz, I will be starting quiz now. It will ask your name. Please enter your real name. Don't give some funny name or fancy name because I will be announcing the winners and you will get prizes. So the prize, actually we have total prize 4,000 rupees. So the first winner will get 1,500 rupees and I will transfer after the live session. You just need to share the screenshot that you won this quiz. Okay, along with that I will ask you one more screenshot. Second prize will be 1,000 rupees and the third prize, obviously it's less, it's 500 rupees only, but yeah. So try your best. It will be very small and very easy quiz. Just you need to select certain answers and you will be able to qualify. Many people will be giving the right answer, so those who are giving the fastest answer, they will be qualified and you will get to know in your dashboard as well. Okay, so shall we start now? Okay, so you can see these all are emojis. Okay, perfect. So we can start the quiz now. So answer fast to get more points. Which one of the following is officially maintained by Microsoft? Okay, so you can see certain names: Cypress, Selenium, Playwright, and WebDriver.io. Okay, you will hardly get 10 seconds because they are very easy questions. Okay, so you need to be little fast. Okay, so I can see 19 people voted correctly and remaining are voting for Cypress, which is wrong. Selenium is also wrong. WebDriver is also wrong. Okay, so the correct answer is Playwright, which is officially is getting maintained by Microsoft. Okay, so let's see who is on the top. So we have Ayyappa Kumar on the first, Praveen Kumar second, and Magical Rhino. So guys, I will not be considering this Magical Rhino because as I told, please enter your real name because based on that I will be announcing the winners. So Magical Rhinos, after this quiz, if you are winning this quiz, let me know in the Instagram. Okay, I will give you my Instagram handle. So Playwright was the right answer and let's start with the second question. Guys, you have to be very fast. You will hardly get 10 seconds to answer this question. So, shall we start with the next question? Richa Binani says, how can we vote? So, Richa, I guess you joined late. So, still if you want to participate, you can see one URL, right? Menti.com. Open this Menti.com on your browser or through your mobile. Okay, and use this code and you will be able to participate. Okay, coming back to the next question. Select the tools for performance testing. So look at your phone and you will be getting this option. So select the tools which is used for performance testing. Okay, great. You can see most of the people are right. So 36 people voted for JMeter, which is absolutely correct. Few people voted for Selenium and Cypress, but which is wrong. See, if you talk about the proper performance, right, where you have to generate the number of threads, the complete load, you have to monitor the CPU, network, everything, then JMeter will be the right tool. So you will see a couple of articles that using Selenium you can do that. Okay, so you can again integrate with JMeter and you can do that, but officially JMeter is for your performance testing. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next. Let's see who is on the first now. Let's see the lead. Yeah, just a second, it's loading. So after the second question, still we have, okay, so there's tough competition between Ayyappa, Kumar and Praveen Kumar. So Ashish is on the third now. Okay, perfect. We still have Pritesh, Ritesh, Ishan, Srujana, Soumya, Robin and Abhijit. We still have 3 questions. So whoever will be answering this in a fast manner, they will win the quiz. Let's start with the third question. Security testing is part of what? Look at your phone and you will be able to see answers, like question options. Okay, so again 37 voted correctly and 15 people gave the incorrect answer. Okay, so security testing is part of non-functional testing. Do you think that 10 second is too fast? We should keep minimum 15 or 20 second, because even I can feel that 10 second is too less to answer, but we don't have much options here, right? Just you need to select particular option and you will be in. So let's see the scoreboard now. Okay, so Praveen is on the first now and Ashish is on the second and Ayyappa Kumar from first to third. Still have in the race Pritesh, Ritesh, Ishan, Soumya Priya, Abhijit, Gaurav and Pallavi. Okay. So let me see a couple of chat. Navin Automation Labs is also surprised because 15 people voted for functional, so he's also disappointed. So guys, you have to be a little careful because Navin is also here. Do you want me to invite Navin in my channel live? Because we did this live back like 6-7 months back, if I'm not wrong. He's in Bangalore right now, so if you want, we can have again a quick live and we can discuss. So we also have a meetup tomorrow, guys. Just a quick announcement. Those who are in Bangalore, already registration are closed, but those who have registered, please join tomorrow. We are having our official meetup. The name is Rave Test Party, and officially will start from 11 to 5, but obviously it will go on because we will be having a lot of discussion and so on. So those who have registered, thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. Okay, so let's start with the fourth question. Jyoti says, I'm not getting questions. Jyoti, I guess you are not opening menti.com. Open menti.com. You already missed 3 questions, but still you can answer the 4th and the 5th one. Question 4. Which of the following used for API testing? Look at your phone, see the options and answer it quickly. So we have Postman, we have Selenium, we have Jira. Okay, very impressed because everybody voted for Postman. I'm really glad because Postman is something which every company is using, right? So whether you have end-to-end test or even a small unit test or some basic API test, everybody is using Postman, right? So everybody voted, which is good. Now let's see who answered it quickly. So guys, you don't have to answer in the chat, okay? You have to answer in the menti.com. Okay, so now we have Praveen Kumar, Ashish, and Ayappa. There's a tough race between all these three. So they are first, second, third. Let's see. The last question will decide who will be the first one, second, and the third one. Just a quick question. Do you want me to use this menti.com again for the next live? Because I'm finding it little interesting. So if you're also liking this, we can continue using this menti.com for live sessions and for quiz as well. Navin is happy with your postman answer. Thank you, Navin. Okay, the last question. Which one of the following is not a CI tool? Okay, so we have CI tools, right? So out of all these four, which is not a CI tool? Jenkins, Bamboo, TeamCity, and Jest. Okay. So those who voted for Jest, they are correct. Jest is not a CI tool. Jenkins, Bamboo, TeamCity, they all are CI tool. Okay, so there was a tough competition between TeamCity and Jest. So Jest is basically a unit test framework for JavaScript. So Jest is the right answer. Perfect. So let's see who is the final winner. And here we go. And yes, Ayappa Kumar is first. So Ayappa started like he was the first one, then the second, third, he was on the third rank. Or finally, Ayappa Kumar, you are the first one. Second is Praveen Kumar, and the third one is Ishan Rakshi. Okay, so those who are the winner. Okay, what you need to do, just take the screenshot of your phone, ping me on Instagram, send me the screenshot, and send me your UPI ID, and I will transfer the prize amount that we have just discussed. Okay, so Ayappa Kumar is first, Praveen Kumar is second, and Ishan Rakshi is third. So all three, you have to go to my Instagram handle, which is Mukesh Otwani official. I have two handles. One is my personal, one is official one. Go to my official handle, Mukesh Otwani official. Send me your screenshot and your UPI ID. I will verify, and then I will initiate the transfer after this live session. So congratulations once again. But Ayappa is a fighter. Like he started, like he was on first, then he went on the third, then third, again third, then the final question, he again became the first winner. Okay, perfect. Those who have done, those on top 10 still, congratulations to all of you. And this is just a small quiz. We will have this multiple times. We'll have next chance. Okay, perfect. Let's start. So guys, what we did, just a second, let me close this. So Ayappa, can you quickly ping me on Instagram? Ayappa, Praveen, and Ishan, Mukesh Otwani official. Okay, so that I can quickly see. No, I still did not receive. So those who want to participate in future as well, you can join my Mukesh Otwani official, because remaining quiz announcement and the screenshot sharing I will be doing through Instagram, not through WhatsApp or not through any other channel. So you can again ping me on Mukesh Otwani official handle. I will give the link in the description as well. So 1500, 1000 and 500 rupees. Yeah. If you are not in India, then try to arrange some Indian number, maybe through your friends or family. I will share through UPI. Perfect. Let's continue with our regular session. Just a second. So let me see a couple of questions. So guys, this is just a Q&A session now. I don't have any roadmap for today. What are the things we are going to cover? Because day 1 we discussed basics of automation, day 2 we discuss about the roadmap, different tools. So today I will be picking few live questions and I will answer them. So let me know if you have a query. Let me see if that valid for today's session. We'll pick it up because I still have 15 more sessions planned. So if your question belongs to that next 15 classes, I will park that question. So I will be taking question which is related to from the last 2 days or any other question. Sabhya Sachi says next quiz date and time please. Sabhya Sachi, I will try to have next quiz on Wednesday and the price will change. So next time it will be like 5,000 total, 2,500, 1,500 and 1,000 rupees. Is it a daily quiz by Akshay? No, it's not a daily quiz, but we will have it regularly. 2 quizzes in a week, so 6 more quizzes coming soon. Okay. So Sagi Sanjay is asking, hi Navin, can you make a video on product realized in production and which tip issues are majority face? So Sanjay, this is Mukesh Otwani chairman. Navin is also live. So Navin, this question is for you. Okay, let me read couple of questions. I cannot see any question right now. So guys, please ask questions so that we can get started and we can see if that can be taken today or not. Okay, in the meanwhile, please post your question. So I want to have a quick announcement for a few things. So let me quickly share that as well. So just like this community session, we also have few parallel community sessions going on and all are free, all are by tech YouTubers. So you must have seen them on YouTube or on different platforms on Udemy. They all are having community sessions parallelly. So in case if you are interested in any of these community sessions, so let me share a quick link. And so the first community session is by Hitesh Chaudhary. So he is having JavaScript marathon community sessions. So as the name says, marathon, that might go for months and months. So you can check out the course description, everything, and based on that, you can decide. This will be long course, and each and every course that you enroll, it is free, and all these community sessions are free. Plus, you will get the dashboard access. So let me show you the moment you enroll which kind of dashboard you will get and how you can access, where you can access the assignments and the PPT and the study materials that we will provide. Now, see, I already log in through my account, okay, and I enroll for this. So when you don't enroll, you will get this kind of option, okay, which is enroll now. But the moment you enroll, you will see this thing called go to course. The moment you click on go to course, it's loading, so let's wait. Okay, so you can see I have so this is only for JavaScript marathon. So yesterday he did one session on JavaScript marathon. So this is the video available, this is the resources, notes and discussion. So all these sessions are happening live on YouTube, right? But after YouTube, it will come here with all the resources and attachments. Similarly, you have another ongoing classes by Sudhanshu. So he is a CEO of INR. He is also having community sessions on SQL, and I guess there's so many things he is covering already. You can see the course content, everything, and you can enroll. So timing is 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Friday. This is another community sessions by Navin Reddy. He is the main guy who is running Telesco Learning, right? He's having more than 1.7 million subscribers. He also started Java community classes. It is happening parallelly 7 to 8. And in case if you want to learn Java in depth, you can see the day wise what he is going to cover from day 1 to day 12. Then we have next class on NLP. So this NLP session is hosted by Krish Naik. He also have more than 6 lakh subscriber on YouTube, and If you see, the timing is getting overlapped, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. But you can see what is on high priority for you, and based on that you can decide. Now, yesterday a couple of people voted that they are completely new to testing. They are completely from non-IT background. They want to get started. For them, we also have another course called Manual Testing Community Course. This will be taken by Kiran Sahu. She will be taking 3 classes on manual testing. 3 classes will not be enough, but it will help you to understand what is testing, type of testing, phases of testing, and you can see that if life cycle, she has mentioned everything, and she is also covering Jira. So you will get overview about agile, what is sprint ceremonies, how to raise bug part I'm not sure, but yeah, you can check out the course and enroll accordingly. Now, if you want to start with C, okay, so again it is taken by Saurabh Shukla. He also have more than around 7.5 lakh subscriber. He is also taking community sessions, and day wise you can see, so till day 13. And in case if you want to start your YouTube channel, let's say you want to start your YouTube channel like me and others, there's a free course started by Mahatma Ji Technical. His name is Amresh Bharti. He also joined INR, and he's also having community sessions completely free. So how to get started, what equipments you have to use, how to find your niche, everything he is covering. He has more than 6.5 million subscribers. So he has, if I'm not wrong, 3 to 4 channels, and they all are doing good. So if you want to learn about ML and DL, okay, machine learning and neural network, then this is again a community session by Shridhar. He, if I'm not wrong, he's doing this session in English, which is Hindi plus English. So you can check out this as well. Yeah, one more is there, which is on cyber security. Okay, so just search for cyber security community classes. This is already completed, but still you will find all the classes material. So if you enroll, if you go to your dashboard, you will be able to access this as well. Okay, so let me take few questions and let's get started. Let me take from the top. Pragati says, is this quiz happening on daily basis? No, Pragati, it will be twice in a week. Harinder says, can you please suggest a playlist or tutorials how to get started with APM? I have knowledge in Java plus Selenium. So Harinder, that's a good point that you already are familiar with Java and Selenium. So I recorded, if I'm not wrong, few videos in 2016. It was on APM 1.2. Still that are valid. Obviously few syntax has been changed, few libraries has been deprecated. You can still check out that course. We also have a course by Navin Automation Lab on APM, and APM course by SDET Pawan. You can check out, he has more than around 26 videos on APM that will help you to get started with APM. Okay, so since it's a separate Java client available, right, so you will get some additional methods that will help you to perform mobile automation, but it's very easy. So Lokesh says, hello Mukesh, myself having 5.5 year experience in IT. I'm not into manual testing nor automation testing, but I want to learn testing and planning to switch on the same. Could you please guide me on this? So Lokesh, we did this discussion yesterday. So after this live session, go to my YouTube channel and search for day 2 and day 1. So we discussed this point twice, that if you want to get started, what should be a roadmap. Jatin QA says, hello Mukesh sir, can you tell me one question? Okay, please go ahead Jatin, I will try my best. Jyoti says, on Mac 11.4, I'm not able to launch any browser using Selenium. So Jyoti, when you say I'm not able to launch, let me know the exception name, okay, because depends on what kind of exception you're getting, we have to fix it. If you're getting session not created exception, if you're getting illegal state exception, if you're getting invalid argument exception, right? For everything we have a different fixes. So if it is coming illegal state exception, then most probably it is a issue with the driver, okay, the Chrome driver that you're using or the Gecko driver. But if it is related to compatibility issue, that's a different story altogether. So if you're using Java 16 or 18, then you might have to degrade, try using Java 8 or Java 11. Okay, Jyoti also pinged the dependency. So Jyoti, you are using wrong dependency. If you want, let me ping you the exact dependency that you have to use so that you can get started. The dependency which I am giving you, that will include all the other dependencies as well, okay? So let me show you here. So right now you're using a Selenium remote driver, right? So instead of that, you use this one, which is Selenium-Java. The moment you use this, automatically you will be getting these dependencies as well, okay? Selenium API, Chrome driver, DevTools, remote driver. This is the one that you're using independently right now. So use this one. If you want, let me ping this in the chat window. Yeah. Check the chat. I have already given. Okay, it is not allowing. So let me give you the link. Yeah, so this is the link that you can refer, Jyoti. Okay, so Jatin question says that is for automation test case. Does build needs to be stable, or we can have a robust framework? So Jatin, basically automation is for regression testing, right? Regression smoke scenario. So if your application is still not mature, it is still in the development, lot of changes are happening, then I guess you should wait, okay? Once few modules are stable, once few, I will say, some part is stable which will not make much enhancement. See, small enhancement is fine, okay, because obviously we have to keep on releasing the new versions, new functionality, right? So that functionality will change slowly. But if it is still under development, you're expecting more features to come, some UI will change completely, then you should wait, okay? When it comes to framework is totally different part, right? So whether the application is stable or not, your framework should be stable. It should handle the sync issues, it should handle the reporting and configuration, test data, and so on. So framework part is different. So if you want to understand how framework works, what are the components we should have, I will give you the videos link in the description after this, so you can do that. So Uday Bhanu says, sir, do we need to learn Java before Monday class? So yes, Uday, in 19 days, if I take multiple topics, then it will not be possible. So I'm going to start with Selenium basics, and for that you should have some understanding of Java. So you will get 2 days. So I will say not 2 days, actually 3 days, because if you start learning from today, Monday evening we will start. So understand what classes, objects, data types, loops, conditional statements. So I will give you the link of my playlist, which has 24 videos. Go through that. It will take hardly 5 to 6 hours to cover that playlist, and you can get started. Sorry. Okay, Priyank Patak says, hi Mukesh, Navin, you both are doing great job. Keep it up. Good work. Thank you so much, Priyank, and special thanks to Navin as well. Okay. Ria says, can you do a session on test coverage tool? Yes, it is actually planned, but since so many things are happening, I could not do it. But I have one video on this. You can check out my channel for this. Where are playwright videos? So Mudashir Ahmed, right now I am going through my Cypress series. So around 15 to 18 tools, 15 to 18 videos are already planned. After that, I will start Playwright. So I'm planning to start Playwright with JavaScript, because I already covered WebDriver IO with JavaScript, Cypress with JavaScript. Then I will start with Playwright with JavaScript. Okay, can you please give me some brief detail on security? So Ajay Yadav, Just give me a minute. Okay, cybersecurity. Check out this link. Okay, 3 days, 3 hours of session is already taken on security, cybersecurity. Please go ahead and check. So there's a very funny comment by Bhurav Singh. Means आप लोग मिलकर Udemy की dash in coming future. Okay, so Bharo, I need to take the photo of this because this is something very funny. But I don't want to comment on this, but thank you so much for your comment. Okay, Deepak Gaikwad says how to start learning Selenium web API or app, which one first? So Deepak, you must have to watch my day 2 video. Yesterday we discussed almost 1.5 hours on the same thing. So please go to my channel, go to day 2 community session, and you will get your answer. Can you provide different automation framework which is already developed? Deepak, go with Serenity. That is very easy to learn, very stable, widely used. Some companies, not some companies, many companies use Serenity framework. And I also have a couple of videos on Serenity framework. So Jatin, I already answered your question, right? So Gana Prasad is asking, is the registration still open? So registration is for what? You mean for the course? You mean for meetup? Okay. So I will not take much time, so we will end this live by 7:45. So if you have any other question, please let me know in the chat section. Yes, Jatin, this is what I said. In order to start automating, right? If your application is not stable, if your build is not stable, then again you have to put a lot of time on the maintenance. So even though if you write test cases, right? So if your build is not stable, obviously your test case will fail. Again, you have to put a lot of effort on the maintenance. Even if you have a robust framework, you still have to put a lot of effort on the maintenance side. Lokesh says, Mukesh, I have already gone through day 1, day 2 session prior to this live. I could not recollect the exact answer. It would be very helpful if you give me a rough picture here. So Lokesh, see again in 8 minutes, I don't want to confuse you with a lot of tools. So ping me on Instagram. I can connect with you and let's have a quick discussion. Okay, Jyoti says, even after using this, I'm not able to launch, getting this error. Chrome driver was started successfully, exception in thread main. Response, okay. So if the session not created exception is coming, then it could be 2 issues. One, you have to use the latest Chrome driver, which I'm sure you must be using. Okay, check the Selenium version. If 4.2.2 is not working, then try with 4.1.2 or try with 4.0.0. Even after that, if it is not working, then check the Java version. As I mentioned, Java 8 or Java 11. After that also, if it is not working, send me the screenshot. I will try to connect probably on Monday and let's see how it goes. Because anyways, from Monday we are going to start, right? So we'll start from the basic, we'll start from the installation part. Okay, so Serenity framework link. Okay, just a second. See, little bit Google you have to do. As I said, it is on my channel. Just go to my channel, search for Serenity, and you should be able to get my videos. But still, let me give you right away. So Serenity, Navin also covered the same Serenity framework. So in case if you want few additional videos, then check out his channel as well. Serenity framework. Yes. Perfect. Recorded Java lectures available in your YouTube channel. Yes, Amit, it is available. Just search for Mukesh Otwani Java. You will get 24 videos. Please go through with that. Java, Selenium, Cucumber. Are you covering these? Shamik, no. You have to see what we have planned for the next 15 days and plan your schedule accordingly. Ravi Lohana says, how much data structure should learn for automation testing? See, even if you don't learn data structure for automation, it's fine. But for interviews, it is mandatory nowadays. Not all the companies, but most of the companies are asking data structure in interviews. But for automation, you just need the core concepts and you should be able to start with your automation journey. Okay, so Preet says, if I miss live as I'm in Canada, so my timing does not match. I have registered for this course, so if I watch later, will I miss some content? So Supreet, anything that we are discussing, right, it is available. So only thing that you will miss is the live interaction. So I'm able to see your chat, I'm able to reply, right? So when you see the recorded content, you will miss this kind of interaction. Rest everything will be available. So if you still face an issue after seeing the recordings, you can connect with me. Akhila says, can I use manually open browser in Selenium with C#? So yes, Akhila, I already made a video on this. It was with Selenium with Java. I did the same thing with Selenium with Python. Same thing will be applicable with Selenium with C# as well. Okay. See, the main CDP part will remain same. So you have to run a CDP command in a debug mode. It will start a Chrome browser session on a particular port. That port you have to mention in your program and you should be able to start. Okay, Lokesh is sure. Mukesh, thank you so much, means a lot. Most welcome, Lokesh. Okay, so I will take last question because it's almost 7:45. So the question from Dayanidhi: how to write XPath if attribute not given for a particular web element? So Dayanidhi, if you don't have any attribute at all, okay, in that case at least you will have a tag name, you might have some text, so you need to write XPath access. So using XPath access, you can see the siblings, you can see the ancestors, you can see the descendant, and you can traverse accordingly. Most of the times you will find text, so based on text you can find, if not for that particular element, you can use XPath access, see the parent child relationship, descendant, ancestor, and you will be able to write. Okay, you can also use one plugin, Selectors Hub, that will generate XPath access as well. Okay, so yeah, that's all from my side. So I will not take much time. It's Friday night, so please take care and enjoy your weekend. Those who are coming to meetup, please join tomorrow. Me, Navin, Sanjay, we all will be waiting. We'll have some technical discussion, we'll have some chit chat, lot of selfies, yeah, and let's see how it goes. So anything else before we end this live? Okay, if no other question, then thank you so much, and whatever things I mentioned, I will try to give all this link in the description after this live session. You can go ahead and see if any of these community sessions will help you out or not. Otherwise you can continue with this community live sessions, but don't miss the next to next week, because next week we are going to start interview questions. So every day we will discuss around 20 questions. So in the next So in 5 days we would be discussing more than 100 questions. So you can also post to some questions which you could not answer in the interviews, and I will try my best to answer them as well. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Have a nice weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Okay, again I forgot to mention those who are the winner. Okay, I will again repeat the name. So Ayyappa Kumar, Praveen Kumar, and Ishan, please ping me on my Instagram handle Mukesh Otwani official. Capture, like, take the screenshot, okay, and I will verify. You can share the UPI ID. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.